It's showtime!
Oh god, he's pissed, he's pissed!
Tornado or what? I should kick your f***ing ass!
Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers.
Here we go!
Springfield, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 73. In Palmdale, it was cloudy and the temperature was...
Tornado watch!
It was cloudy and 73 degrees. It was partly sunny. The National Weather Service issued tornado watch number 163, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Christian, DeWitt, Logan, Macon, Mason, Menard, and Sangamon. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 163, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Christian, Effingham, Moultrie, and Shelby. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of three in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Order to general weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Around 35 miles per hour.
Okay.
Tonight.
That's weird. Woo! Let's f***ing go!
The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 164, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Bond, there. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large-scale and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While in the outfield. A tornado watch this afternoon. Windy. Showers and thunderstorms likely. High in the lower 70s. South wind 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts to around 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, cooler.
I said Don't count me out yet.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Sangamon County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Chatham, or 9 miles northeast of Vernon, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazard is 60 miles per hour with gusts of quarter-size winds. Local radar indicated the following effects are expected.
Whoa.
following highways. Interstate 50 for the following counties: Illinois, Jackson, and Perry.
Now I'm curious. Before I jump the gun on anything else, I just want to look at something real quick. I'm not sure if they're going to relate on my TV, but let's see.
Moving northeast at 45 miles per hour.
Oh yeah, they will.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Springfield around 5:30 p.m. Rochester around 5:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Sherman, Riverton, Mechanicsburg, and Williamsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 between mile markers 81 and 104, and between mile markers 106 and 111. Interstate 72 between mile markers 96 and 121.
Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Logan County, northwestern DeWitt County, southeastern Tazewell County, McLean County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Atlanta, or 10 miles northeast of Lincoln, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bloomington and Hayward around 6:05
I have a
p.m.
theory.
Other locations in the path of the until 6:05 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Atlanta, or 10 miles northeast of Lincoln, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Include Downs, Cooksville, and Colfax.
Oh god, wait.
This includes the following highways.
I think Kit is in this.
Between mile markers 0 and 3.
Kit Alexa, I think, is in this storm.
Between mile markers 132 and 187. Interstate 74 between mile markers 126 and 146. Colfax. This includes the following highways. Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 55 between mile markers 132 and 187. Interstate 74 between mile markers 126 and 146.
Right now.
45 p.m. for the following counties: DeWitt and Logan. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: Christian, Macon, and Sangamon. Tornado watch number 164 has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Montgomery, Illinois. Tornado watch number 163 remains in effect until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Christian, Logan, Macon, Gennard, and Sangamon. At 6 p.m. at Springfield, thunder was reported. The temperature was 75 degrees, the dew point was 56, and the wind was a severe thunderstorm was located over Kincaid, or 8 miles northwest of Taylor Hill, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stonington, Mount Auburn, Mount 75 in Springfield.
You think you're funny?
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Christian County,
Bruh.
eastern Sangamon County,
You're late.
southwestern Macon County, until 6:30 p.m. At 6:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tennessee, or 8 miles northwest of Taylorville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stonington and Mount Auburn around 6:20 p.m. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. for northeastern Logan, northwestern DeWitt, and McLean counties. At 6:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near McLean, or 12 miles southwest of Bloomington, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Normal, Hayworth, Lexington, Chenoa, Atlanta, Colfax, Downs, McLean, Towanda, Waynesville, Cooksville, Pleasant Hill, Arrowsmith, Cropsey, Ellsworth, Lawndale, Anchor, Holder, and Moraine View State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 55 between mile markers 132 and 187. Interstate 74 between mile markers 126 and 146. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Christian County, eastern Sangamon County.
Okay. Does it count? I'm gonna count, I guess. Hi. I'm gonna guess it's from Montgomery. Is it?
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montgomery County until 6:30 p.m. At 6:13 p.m. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montgomery County until 6:30 p.m. A severe quarter-size hail located near Morrisonville is a radar indicated 45 miles per hour. The following expected hazards include hail damage,
accepting application
and quarter-size
Yeah.
wind damage. This is a radar indicated threat. Entry. Carry a room on the lowest floor of a building.
Are they really not gonna have an FM trip? Really?
It appears as though
I'm confused.
Thunderstorm was located.
800. Put all the gas. Ready?
Moving northeast at 5th and Montgomery. A tornado watch means the conditions are...
Wow. Wait a minute. Why did you fail? Wait a minute. The 74-2. What?
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Christian County, eastern Sangamon County, western Mulberry County, northwestern Shelby County, southwestern Macon County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stonington, 47 miles northeast of Taylorville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards. p.m. At 6:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stonington, 47 miles northeast of Taylorville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. 50 miles per hour.
County, western Moultrie County, northwestern Shelby County, southwestern Macon County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stonington, or 7 miles northeast of Taylorville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Blue Mound around 6:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Moequa and Macon. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 126 and 136.
Storm warning.
Southern Montgomery County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:42 p.m. Southern Montgomery County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:42 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was located over Sorrento, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail are expected. This is a radar-indicated threat.
The path of this situation.
Expected
Interstate 7. Unlike the crew, I'm all gonna say.
Until 8 p.m. for South Central and Southwestern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the severe thunderstorm of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for South Central and Southwestern Illinois. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 164, effective until 8 p.m.
Hi. I'm in.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Moultrie County, Piatt County, west central Champaign County, western Douglas County, southeastern Macon County until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Zion or near Decatur, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, or trees.
Northern Moultrie County, Piatt County, west central Champaign County, western Douglas County, southeastern Macon County, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Zion, or near Decatur, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cerro Gordo around 7:15 p.m. Other locations in the